tracking addresses of the employee. Who cares? Your building structure like that. It will allow you. I haven't checked much on that scenario, but you won't get any chance to like that. But you can place number of level 1s on the page.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
This is called parent and child relationship in Peoplesoft. We build the relationship within the record. We build the relationship within the pages. Now let us say, you created this project. You're saying all of these parent and child. How can I know? By looking at the key structure I can understand. But is there any other way to identify department dependent table is a child of employee? Yes. In the dependent table record properties, you have to enter manually, which is the parent record. Even without building this also, even without adding this information also, it is behaving a parent record. But it's just for understanding the record relationships. Clear?
Yeah.
Even we build the relationship without adding such type of information. But you can add here like this. Relationship. Dependent table is your child. Sorry, parent. Like that. Any queries on this parent and child relationship? Alright. If you are clear, we will move to other.
Yeah, I'm clear.
Now, we successfully built this relationship. Now I would like to add more functionality on this page, right? I'm asking Madhuri, I would like to see the dependent addresses information. My address fields are address 1, address 2, city, state and country. Huh? What you will do generally, you will open your dependent table, you will add all the address fields here and you will alter it and you will open the page, you will allocate a space for all these address fields and you will display the address fields on the page. Am I right?
Yeah.
This is the general process. Fine. Tomorrow I am asking, Madhuri, I would like to see the education institution address also. The same step you will repeat, right?
Yeah.
Day after tomorrow I will ask for location address. The same step you will repeat. To avoid such type of practice, now I am creating a record which is called a sub-record. Sub-record. Here I am placing all my address fields, like let's say address 1, address 2, city, state and country. All these fields. Now I am saving this record as address SBR subrecord. There is no database relation because we can't build this type of object. Now I can add this subrecord wherever I need the address information. Here I am adding. How can I add the subrecord here? Insert in the name of field, in the place of field I am using subrecord option. How many fields are there in the subrecord? All fields will come here. We are done. And I would like to see all of the fields which are there in the subrecord. How can I see? This is the option. Expand all subrecords. It will show you like this. Is it going to display the dependent information? No. After adding the subrecord, you have to alter the record, right? Why? Because in the name of subrecord, you added 5 or 6 fields. Am I right?
Yeah.
Simply you have to alter it. Alter it. Now check it. Simple. I would like to see the address information in my institution. Insert subrecord. Add it. Build it. All the table. We are done. Check the institution. Address 1, address 2, city, state and country. The same like for my location also. Let's say the location. I am adding the sub-record. Simply just insert. You can check this sub-record structure and you can build it. Check the location table also. Address is there. Now you understood the concept of sub-record?
Yeah.
If I change this sub-record structure, let us say I imagine in my dependent table I don't want to see the address 2. Then in the sub-record I remove the address 2. How many tables will get into effect?
Ask me again.
I am removing address 2 from the sub-record. Why? Because my client is asking in the dependent structure I don't want to see the address 2.
Okay.
Based on the requirement I am removing the address 2 from the sub-record. How many tables will get into effect?
3.
How many tables will impact?
Maybe only this one.
All 3 tables. Why? Because you are using sub-record in these 3 tables, right?
Yeah.
If you are simply changing the sub-record structure, all 3 tables will get affected.
Okay.
Why? Because you are just adding the sub-record, that's it. That means whenever you are handling the sub-record, very careful. Then
So
how can I know?
drag and drop individually from sub-record, right?
Sub-record, we can't drag and drop individually from the sub-record.
Okay.
If you are adding the fields into a sub-record, we have to use the sub-record.
Okay.
In that particular scenario, what we can do, we will remove the sub-record from this dependent table, we will add the fields manually. Why? Because if you are changing this sub-record structure, all these tables are affecting, right?
Yeah.
Then you are getting a doubt, that how can I know how many tables are will be affected by changing this sub-record? You would like to know why? Because this is our component, we know about it. Let us imagine it's a delivered sub-record. Open the sub-record, any of the object, go here, find definition references. Here you will see. It will show you searching for references to record SBR. How many references it found?
3.
3, right?
Yeah.
Even in the same for the field also, in how many areas I can see this name. Let us say find definition references of this name. How many areas? 1 record, 3 records and 2 pages. 1 page is coming. But on the page also it has twice. That's why it is given like this. On this page we have 2 times the name, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Same field. That's why it is given twice. That means if you are changing any object in the Peoplesoft, first please find the definition references. You are clear now about the sub-record?
Yeah.
Now, I would like to add the sub-record data on my page in each and every level, right? Now, please expand your page size. How can I expand my page size? Go to the page properties, use tab. Here is the page size. Select your custom size. I am selecting my size is, let's say, 600, like this. Now, just use your structure like this. Then just select group Please move downwards and expand your grid. Sorry, scroll. Here also expand your scroll. In all these places, I would like to place my address. Okay. Try to drag and drop the fields from the subrecord. What it is saying?
Fields from subrecord.
That means it is suggesting to use a different page type to place subrecord. What is that page type? If you open the page properties, you will see the type of the page. Every time we are using a standard page by default. As like a SQL table, if you are creating a page, it's a standard page. I would like to create a subpage. Again, what is the purpose of subpage, Venkat? Reusability. Simple. As like as the subrecord, I am going to use the subpage number of times. Now place the subrecord fields. Address line 1, address line 2, city, state, and country. Now save your subrecord as, or subpage as, address SVP subpage for me to understand. Now your subpage is ready. Now I would like to use the subpage concept on my name page. Venkat, how can I add it? Simply drag and drop. Page structure is not fit, just expand the page one more time. Let us say 750, something like that. Now just expand your width here. This is your subpage. Okay. Now under the subpage order, it is in the level 1, right?
Yeah.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Just save it. What is this? More than one data records can scroll, make fields from non-primary record delete display. What is this? Simple. Change the property to dependent table. Now, what are all the fields you are placing in the level 1? All the field information is stored under dependent table letter, right?
Yeah.
Now, we will see the structure, then only you will understand. This is the structure. Address line 1, okay. Address line 2, city, state, country, USA. Save it. Save. Check the structure. Check the data. Now it added the information under the dependent table. Am I right?
Yeah.
Do the same for other levels. Simple. Again, one more way of placing subpage on the main page. Insert subpage. Okay. Type your subpage name IBM, AID, SVP. Automatically it will give you the subrecord name. Give your target. Target is my institution table, right?
Yeah.
Now it will place at the top. Just carefully drag and drop. Pick carefully and drag and drop. Okay? Check the order carefully every time. Where the order? Where is the subpage placed? Here it is. It's showing in the level 0. Venkat, if you are asking why, because it's a behavior of application. We can't do anything. Manually drag and drop the left. Save it. Now go ahead and check the structure. It is in level 2 now, right?
Yeah.
Now, address information. INS address. Let's say INS address. City, state, India. Save it. Now, check the institution address. It will show you the institution address. Clear?
Yeah.
Now, a question will arise. Venkat, the scroll has a structure, we can place the subpage. What about the grade? Question will arise, right?
Yeah.
But it will fix. How it will fix? Simply drag and drop the subpage into the grade and make sure the target is your location table. Check the order. Fine. It's placed in the level 3. But it will fix in the record grid, but it will expand like this. Why? Because grid is a structure like that. Line 1, line 2, city, state, and country. It is expanding the width, right?
Yeah.
We can't do anything. But my client is asking, is there any resolution for that? Because it is disturbing the entire grid structure, right?
Yeah.
Look and feel. Then we can split this grid into 2 parts. First part, it will display the location description and code, and the second part will display the address. Splitting the grid into 2 different parts. We can call such type of grid is tabbed grid. Tabbed grid. How can I make it? Very simple. Very simple. Insert tab separator. That's it. Here. In the grid, here I place the tab separator. Double click label. I would like to place the tab separator. Let's say first label is the location. The second tab I am placing after location description. Here. Let's say my tab address is address. Tab label is. Now you will see. It separated into 2, it's split in 2 parts. Location and address, right?
Yeah.
Address. Just it is expanding, but not that much.
Yeah.
Is it clear now?
Yeah.
Now, my client is asking, Venkat, is there any possibility to carry the location code to address also? Why? Because I am in a confusion. This address is related to which location code? If possible, better to please print the location code in the next tab also. Can we do it? Simple. Double click on the location code, go to the use freeze grid column under the location code. Now you will see the difference. For each and every tab, the location code will come. In the first tab, the location code is coming, right?
Yeah.
In the next tab, location code is coming.
Okay.
If you would like to see all of the columns at a time, see, show all columns. Again, I would like to see the tabs, show tabs. You can do some changes on the page to fit the requirement. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Madhuri, what we discussed today, very important.
Okay.
Parent and child relationships and sub-records and sub-pages. Very, very regular functionalities we are going to use in our real-time practice
Okay.
whenever we are working with the pages.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Please do this on your machine as much as you can. As many times as you can.
Okay.
If you are getting any doubt, let me know. I am ready to discuss with you tomorrow also.
Sure. Yeah.
But make sure you practice.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, just now for today, I am stopping the session. We will continue tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you.
I think enough for us today. We discussed a lot.
Okay.
Very important concepts. We will see some other functionalities tomorrow. Okay?
Okay.
Have a good day. Bye.
Good. Yeah. Bye.